Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video I have something for the holidays. In today's video I take you guys out a $500 gaming PC build for the holiday season. So, offering the best bang for your buck, and this is going to give you the upgrade path. So if you have more budget, if you have more money, you can take in better parts. But yeah, this is going to be the best value for money PC build you can do for this holiday season. So if you want to get one for yourself or gift someone, you can do that. And towards the end of the video I'll take you guys over the benchmarks and the future upgrades and things like that. And with that being said, all the parts in this video will be linked down below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links. So if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get to the build. So for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. It's a 4-core 4-thread CPU which is unlocked and has a base clock of 3.5 GHz and a max boost clock of 3.7 GHz. And it comes with its own Wraith Stealth cooler and has a 65-watt TDP. This all retails for $99, and in my opinion this is a very good entry-level gaming CPU. Now to house that CPU, we have the Gigabyte B450M DS3H, which is an AM4 Micro ATX motherboard with HDMI, DDR4, USB 3.1 and M.2 slot for super fast storage. This also supports overclocking and second generation Ryzen CPUs, and for $60, one of the best budget motherboards out there. For RAM, we have 8GB of PATRIOT Viper 4 at 3000 MHz. Now this is dual channel. Don't do the mistake of getting one RAM stick with Ryzen APUs. They love dual channel. So two 4GB sticks at 3000 MHz. DDR4 should get the job done. For $69, this is really good RAM pricing. Storage, we have the silicon powered 250GB 3D NAND SSD. Going with the SSD instead of a hard drive makes sense. This is 2018. It's high time. You need to have an SSD in every build that you do. Doesn't matter if it's a budget one. 250GB is a pretty good starting capacity, but this 250GB SSD should hold your operating system and a few games, and you will see the performance difference. And you guys can let me know in the comments down below if you actually build this PC how the SSD performs. Now to power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 500W W1 80+ white certified power supply. This is a 80+ white certified power supply with a 3-year warranty. Again, 500 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some upgrade room in the future. This retails for $34.99 and it should get the job done in my opinion. The star of the show and the graphics card, we have the ZOTAC GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, which is a 4GB GDDR5 card from Nvidia that supports DirectX 12. It's ideal for 1080p gaming at medium to max settings when paired with a good CPU and enough memory. This also has a HDMI port, a display port and a DVI. It comes in a small form factor, but the performance is big. And in my opinion, the 1050 Ti is a really good card. Now for the case, we have the Corsair Carbide Spec 04 in red. It has a clear side panel, a ATX mid-tower form factor, a lot of space, great looks, it's minimal looking, it's very simple, doesn't scream gamery or anything. With I/O ports, audio jacks and a lot of expansion slots for $49, this is a really good case in my opinion. Now that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance. And in my opinion, this will strike a really good balance in terms of price to performance and value for money. You're getting a lot for what you're paying. You have the SSD, you have a quad-core CPU from AMD, you have the 1050 Ti with 8GB of RAM. That's a really good package for entry-level to mid-tier gaming. You can run AAA titles like Shadow of War, Battlefield 1, Assassin's Creed Origin, GTA 5, any other game that's out right now from low to medium settings on 1080p and still get above 60 FPS. If you want more FPS, you can decrease the resolution or the settings, and yeah, just play around to get the best playable experience. And like any other Windows PC, this can do more than gaming, so you can edit videos, live stream them to Twitch and YouTube. You can also do photo editing and things like that, and normal day-to-day tasks should go fine on this $500 build. And that's about it for the performance part. Talking about future upgrades, you can upgrade the CPU to maybe a Ryzen 7 if you wanted. The GPU can go up to a RTX 2080 Ti. The possibilities are infinite and endless. You can add in RAM if you wanted, more storage. You can turn this into a high-end beast if you have more money, and that's what I'm saying. This is a really good PC if you want to upgrade in the future. So yeah, you can spend the $500 right now, use the performance that it's got, but if you need more in the future, you can upgrade the parts to get it. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, this is a really good gift for yourself or for your friends and family, for the people who love gaming. And yeah, this is the right gift. So if you're looking for a good PC to gift to your loved ones, this is the one for you, and all the parts are linked down below, so help the channel out by buying from those links. Comment down below what you think about this build, and again, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, hit that notification thing so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.